the partnership between the African Union Commission as the continental secretariat of the African Union and the Data for Governance Alliance has been extremely important, simply because also data is quite important for not just advocacy, but for decision making. But also for the implementation of the decisions, data comes also handy to pave the way for easy and accurate implementation. So because of that, this partnership has become maturer and maturer over the days. And we really value this partnership, and we really count heavily on all members of this consortium on providing the data that will assist the African Union to improve its advocacy levels, but also the implementation of the policy and the instruments that have been developed so far. We work very closely with this group of members of the Data for Governance Alliance because we rely heavily on the data that they provide to assist the Amb.Salah Secretariat with its advocacy when it comes to the promotion of the African Charter on Democracy, Elections and Governance, but also when assisting member states to prepare for elections that are important for the African citizen at the national level. I think having data in place is quite important, but how to use the data is also another aspect of the process, and that is why today I called on members of this consortium, Data for Governance Alliance, to try to invent new methodologies of how to improve not only on data collection, but also on the consumption of this data. So how can this data be utilized, not only by the government elites, but also by the ordinary citizens that are out there who have no access to all of this data? Because once they have the data, then they will be able to advocate for themselves.